Marcel Grooten is the managing director of DoMicro, and he's joining us probably from Eindhoven. I love that city. It's one of the deep tech hubs of Europe, and he'll be telling us about insights in electronic design and integration for flexible hybrid electronics applications. So, hi, Marcel.
Right.
Nice to see
Hi,
you.
hi, Kasia. Good to see you again.
Very
Yeah.
nice to see you. Yeah,
Yeah.
welcome on the stage, and yeah, when you're ready, share your slides, and you can jump right into it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, but just a small note on Eindhoven because I remember your great show in 2022, and I'm really hoping that TechBlick events will turn back to Eindhoven. It was a great event in those days. So let's see.
Thanks, Will. Well, I mean, the venue was too small for us, so we moved to Berlin. This year we are doing Berlin.
Right.
We do have an event in Eindhoven, though. For those who are interested in the previous presentation, it's on micro LEDs. So we have a micro LED presentation, conference and exhibition in Eindhoven in September, and we are looking maybe, maybe 2020.
We will see.
Or so.
We'll stay in touch.
We will see. Yeah.
Okay.
Indeed.
Well, as discussed, I was just pitching. Let's say this time, since we are around in the industry already for a while, on technology development and inkjet printing, I would love to highlight, let's say, the integration of print electronics, because usually when you perform any inkjet printing or print electronics circuitry, actually you still need to put some strength in creating a real functional device or functional prototyping activity. And this is why I was actually pitching this presentation and trying to shed some light on our efforts to create the application. And those applications, as we are positioned as being a service provider or a project company, so to speak, providing printing technology and also prototyping. We're prototyping for customers, several customers in different areas, semicon or electronics, automotive, where we can provide the integrated applications, where flexible electronics is actually a part of that. Because conventional electronics is abundant and worldwide available, and all those components and all those processes and industries are familiar. They have standardized processes, low cost, high volume. But typically in flexible hybrid electronics, it is creating new applications, and due to the form factor and additive technology, it creates new possibilities. So what we see and what we are asked for is actually combining them. So what we found is and meet our customers in their needs, not only in flexible hybrid electronics, but actually also in developing the electronic applications. So combining that is the name of our game. And as we presented, over the years, our capabilities in inkjet printing, which is this digital, patterning activity, we use the Zeus Microtech LP50 systems. We explore the materials and create the assemblies also with die bond, pick and place technologies. And for that, we have our laboratory, our clean room, where we have several of those equipments. We can bond, we can do micro positioning, we can do screen printing. So we have a kind of nice technology kitchen where we can provide and integrate. But as you can see also on the bottom right, we also have this system integration of electronics capability, where we put, let's say, this circuitry and the electronics functionality into play and into work. In the first part of our company years, we focused on the technology of cells and how to integrate also the flat bare dies, and using inkjet printing as a neat interconnection technology, due to the fact that you can go down to, let's say, 50-50 track gap, and having the ability to do the optical alignment and no touching surfaces. This is the, let's say, approach we took to integrate even bare dies. Face up would be one of those advantages. But we also can do the flip chip and die bonding activity, as you can see here. And by doing so, creating some demonstrators like Bluetooth or microcontroller integration.